Let me be honest with you. If you find yourself checking your phone every few minutes, scrolling without thinking, switching between apps all day, there is a high chance that that's the habit that is making your money not grow. Because your phone is not just a device. It is either building you or destroying your focus. Now, let me tell you exactly how to fix it in simple steps. Solution 1. Control your first hour. The first hour of your day decide your focus. So instead of waking up and touching your phone immediately, do this instead. Keep your phone away when you wake up. Use the first 60 to 30 minutes for thinking, planning, or learning something useful. Because if your first input is distraction, your whole day follows that same pattern. Solution 2. Remove every distractions. Remove what is making it easy to waste time. Go to your phone and turn off non-essential notifications. Remove 1 to 2 addictive apps from your home screen, or even install the worst ones temporarily. Because discipline is harder when temptation is always visible. Solution 3. Replace, don't just remove. This is the one most people miss. You can't just stop scrolling. You must replace it. Instead of opening your phone randomly, open something that builds income. Watch something educational, or work on a small productive task. Because your brain always wants stimulation. The goal is to redirect it, not starve it. Solution 4. Create phone rules. Most people try to control their phone with motivation, and it never works. So instead, you need rules. Things like no phone during meals, no phone during work blocks, like 1 to 2 hours focus time, no random scrolling unless you intentionally open it for something specific. I tell you this, if you don't create rules, your phone will create habits for you. Solution 5, the last and not the least, use focus windows. That is, control your attention time. This is a powerful shift. Instead of using your phone all day randomly, you divide your day into focus windows. For example, in the morning, for work or learning. In the afternoon, for productive tasks. In the night, limited relaxation time. And you only use your phone inside controlled windows. This alone trains your brain to stop reacting to every notification and start building discipline naturally. Now, with this being said, if you can fix just these 5 things, you will notice your focus improving. And when your focus improves, your financial decision improves too. And that is how wealth starts. Not from first, but from control over your attention.